Hello everybody on my channel. I'm Joseph Byler, 42. I'm a trainer, athletic trainer, personal trainer, strength conditioning coach, and I do a lot of things with cryptocurrency, just a lot of coaching. I'm also a carpenter and a husband and a father of 3 and hopefully more down the road. And so just recap, I had a very bad injuries over the years. My hip has been totally damaged. It's been completely out of whack. I have done therapy for so long, years. In the last few years, extensive. The last year and a half, extremely extensive. I'm a coach, so I'm part of internationally 1,500 coaches that have the CPBS, which is extremely hard certification. That's one of my certifications, so it's high caliber to go to any college, big university, to be in their staff there. Trained with Mike Barwis, Joe DeFranco, Parker Whiteman, to name a few. Anyway, so I'm going to have a total hip replacement. Dr. David Christ out of Kalamazoo, Michigan. And I will have it the anterior model. He was the first anterior style doctor in the state of Michigan. And I believe he was the second in the United States as far as doing the anterior method, which that's what I was going for. The anterior method with the 4 parts that I wanted. I did not want dual mobility. That's totally something different. But I did want a ceramic femoral head, titanium shaft, titanium acetabulum, and a heat-treated double-cross polymer acetabulum liner. Those were the 4 parts that I wanted. Those are the 4 parts Frankie Edgar has in the UFC. He was fighting in 9 months. Now, I've had clients in the past that have had total hip replacements, and they have done very well. These type of parts should last 30-35 years plus. You never know, it could go longer than that, could go shorter than that. I'm pretty hard on my body, so we'll see how long it'll last, but I believe that it will last a very long time. This doctor has done total hip replacements on kids in the single digits, teenagers, 20-year-olds, 30-year-olds, and I'm 42, so there's absolutely no reason not to do that. My external rotation on my leg is literally so limited, I can hardly do it. I have had some of the most extreme methods done on my body for manipulating that hip. I have had injections, I've had so much physical therapy. I reached out to the best, and it just is my therapy daily that I've been doing for years, which the last year and a half have been really crazy. It gives me a window of opportunity for less pain and some mobility, but as the day goes on, it gets so severe, and the throbbing and the pins and needles and the type of mobility is just so limited. And as I keep going through life, it's less and less, and I can no longer handle it. So tomorrow morning, I go in at 10:05, surgery is at 12:05 to 12:30. Surgery with Dr. David Christ, it takes about 45 minutes to an hour and 5 minutes. And I will be doing an epidural, so I will be just sort of twilighted a little bit, but I will not have any feeling from my waist down, which is good. So I will come back and I will probably have an entire series of things I'm going to do. I know this will be helpful for many people. As you know, over the years I've studied hips, knees, and shoulders to the point where that's what I help people with the most. So I'm really excited to just get this done and over with, and hopefully my videos and things will be really help people. So I may be coming out with a book about how to go about all this and figure out your whole method of rehab and prehab and how to find the right doctor in your area. I am halfway through, well, not quite halfway through. I have the whole program built for how I fix my shoulder without surgery. So, and that's a different story. So stay tuned. I might do a video every day on my YouTube channel here. And hopefully I can help you guys. If you have questions, just reach out to me and I would love to help you guys. All right. I will see you guys probably pre-surgery or post-surgery. All right. We'll talk to you later.